teacher Bhumika Shah welcomes you all back to another session of your English online classes. So my dear students, if you remember, in our previous class we were dealing with a lesson, that was lesson number 2, Praful learns a lesson, right dear students? और हमने उस चैप्टर में क्या पढ़ा था? We studied about the importance of cleanliness. We studied a story. We heard a story about Praful and his sister, his elder sister Vidya, and how they both together cleaned Praful's room in a week before his father came back from his tour. Within that time, Praful and Vidya together they cleaned the room. And what was the moral of the story? That was cleanliness is next to godliness, right students? So in our today's class we are going to do the exercise questions of that chapter. So without wasting the time, wear your headphones, take out your notebook and get ready for today's class. So students, here is your reader notebook and पिछले lesson में that was the poem If, right? And उसमें हमने ये सारी चीज़ें की थी. This was the last question. Now we will be beginning lesson 2. Praful learns a lesson, and this is going to be your index. What all things we are going to do? Index, then first introduction, that is what we studied in our lesson. Then comes word meaning, right students? Then these are the questions which we are going to deal in our further classes. They are going to be answer the following, rearrange the sentences, match the following, okay? And this will be the activity question which I will give you at the end of this end of the class, end of the lesson actually, okay? Now let's come to the first word meaning. I told you about word meaning, writing down the word meaning. Before beginning the lesson we dealt with the word meaning. So first of all you have to write, after index you have to write this word meaning. I hope you have already written this because I gave you this task in the first class of this lesson, right? जैसे ये चैप्टर शुरू हुआ था सबसे पहले मैंने आपसे कहा था कि आप लोग वर्ड मीनिंग लिखिए. तो चलिए एक बार देख लेते हैं वर्ड मीनिंग क्या क्या था. हाउस होल्ड रिलेटेड टू होम, घर के कामों से जुड़ी हुई चीज़ों को हम बोलते हैं हाउस होल्ड. नाउ टाइडिंग, मेकिंग नीट एंड क्लीन, चीज़ों को साफ सुथरा रखना, मेकिंग नीट एंड क्लीन. देन कम्स टेरिबल, टेरिबल मीनिंग वेरी बैड. अपीयरेंस, द विजिबल लुक, जो दिखने में जो होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? अपीयरेंस. देन कम्स कर्टन, a piece of cloth used for covering windows and doors, okay? See, I told you about curtains. Both Praful and Vidya changes the curtain, right? रूम का पर्दा बदलते हैं, तो ये वही बताया है कि a piece of cloth for covering windows and doors. Then the last word dragged, meaning pulled by effort. किसी चीज़ को ज़बरदस्ती खींचते हैं तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Dragged, that is pulled by effort. Now comes the answer the following questions. This is what we are going to deal in today's class. Answer the following questions, okay? So what is the first question, students? Look at here. What did Vidya like to do? What did Vidya liked to do? So हमने सबसे पहले ही पढ़ा था इस चैप्टर के स्टार्टिंग में कि विद्या को घर के काम करना पसंद था, right? So that's why we will be writing Vidya liked to do household work. If you can see here, half of the answer is there in the question. Vidya liked to do, हमें सिर्फ क्या लिखना है? Household work. Vidya liked to do household work, okay? Now write it down, the question and the answer. Then the second question, what habit did Praful have? What habit did Praful have? Praful की क्या आदत थी? Praful had a habit of keeping his room in mess. Praful की habit क्या थी? Praful had a habit of keeping his room in mess. अपने रूम को गंदा रखने की आदत थी, वो अपने रूम को हमेशा गंदा रखता था, right? So that we are writing Praful had a habit of keeping his room in mess. Now comes the third question. What happened when Dad shouted at Praful? What happened when Dad shouted at Praful? जब Dad Praful पर चिल्लाते हैं तब क्या होता है? So what happens at that time? When Dad shouted at Praful, he got upset. When see, the answer is here in the question. See, the answer is here, half of the answer in the question itself. When Dad shouted at Praful. See, the same line is here at the answer also. When Dad shouted at Praful, he got upset. वो sad हो गया, वो upset हो गया. So he got upset. Just a little 3-word answer. This 3-word answer you have to add in the question part. So when Dad shouted at Praful, he got upset. So this was the third answer. Okay. Now let's see the next question. So that is, who helped Praful? Right. So who helped Praful? Praful की मदद किसने की थी स्टूडेंट्स? प्रफुल्ल की बहन ने. व्हाट वाज हर नेम? विद्या. सो वी विल राइट विद्या हेल्प्ड प्रफुल्ल. विद्या हेल्प्ड प्रफुल्ल. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हाट डिड प्रफुल्ल एंड विद्या डू ऑन सैटरडे? सैटरडे को प्रफुल्ल और विद्या क्या करते हैं? व्हाट दे बोथ डिड ऑन सैटरडे? प्रफुल्ल एंड विद्या changed the bed sheet, pillow covers and curtains of the room. What they did? They changed the bed sheet on Saturday. Praful and Vidya changed the bed sheet. उन्होंने क्या किया? Bed sheet change किया, pillow covers change किए and curtains of the room. What all things they changed? They changed the bed sheet, pillow covers and curtains of the room. Understood? So these were the 5 question and answers for today's class which you have to complete it in your reader notebook. Okay students, and then in our next class we will do rearranging the sentences and match the following. Okay, so word meanings as I have told you in the previous class only to write the word meanings, and in today's class we did answer the following और ये आपके notebook में complete हो जानी चाहिए. Okay students, so yes, your teacher will be back again in her next class with the next exercise questions. Okay, till then my dear students, take care. Goodbye.